Welcome back. After we have collected sufficient data related to the process using different charts and diagrams, and after we have critically analyzed it using the questioning technique that we discussed in the previous session, and once we have come across different alternates to different aspects of the process, then we uh, make the new process or develop the new process or method based on those alternates. One approach, apart from the questioning technique that we discussed in the previous session to analyze the process, is called ECRS approach. So E stands for eliminate, C for combine, R for rearrange, and S for simplify. So it's ideal if we can eliminate an activity or unnecessary work. If we cannot do that, then we can combine operations or elements. So if two steps can be combined into one, that is also a possibility that we can look for. The third is related to rearrangement or changing the sequence of operations, because sometimes the sequence of activities is such that it is taking a lot of time, a lot of transportation, a lot of delays are there. So we can rearrange or change the sequence and we can improve the process. Finally, we can simplify the necessary operations. So if an activity cannot be eliminated or combined with others, or it is being performed in the best sequence, then we can simplify it, we can reduce its time. So same approach is actually used in SMED, or single minute exchange of dies, that we will discuss in the last module. So in method study or process analysis, certainly there is no one correct answer, but there are usually several possible solutions. And in business and industrial operation, there is no final solution to a problem. A given solution may be put into effect and used until a better one can be found. So condition may change with the passage of time. New material with different price might be available. Availability of new machines and equipment might be there. A change in volume and quantity of the product can also necessitate to move to a new process. So now we will discuss a simple case study where we will see that we can have different alternates available for a new process. And second, it's an ongoing process and there is no perfect solution. So we make small improvements continuously and to keep on updating and improving the system as a whole. So just go through this example, read it, and we will discuss it during the discussion session. So this is the case study: spraying inside and outside of a metal box covers and bottoms. When a systematic attempt is made to find a better method, it is seldom that the first one tried proves to be the best. Finding the preferred method for doing a given task is usually a process of development and invention. The following case illustrates this in an excellent manner. So please go through this. I have already provided you this in the hard form. So read it thoroughly and we will critically analyze it and discuss it. So we had to spray the inside and outside of the box. We were spraying it in two steps. So we want to reduce the time of spraying. So those who don't have this case study in hard form, they can just pause the video, read the case, and for the students in the class, we will discuss it once they have read it. And this case study is actually taken from the book Motion and Time Study, Design and Measurement of Work, 7th edition by Ralph M. Burns. So this is a very good book, classical book on time and motion study.